Guys, in this video of LinkedIn marketing course, we are going to talk about how to create a LinkedIn group for your business. Yes, guys, if you have a business or if you are an individual employee, you can create a group and accumulate your audience, and you can do whatever you want with that group, right? If you are able to grow that group, even you can monetize that group as well. So it is totally up to you that what will be the approach for creating this group, but the process on how to create a LinkedIn group, I'll be showing you. So just stay tuned with the video till the end. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm in my home section of LinkedIn account. This is the account which we have created in this course itself. Now, in order to create a group, first I need to click on my network option. Otherwise, I can click on this for business option as well. In for business option, I'll be able to see this groups option, as you can see here. If I click on this, I'll be land on this page, and with the same way you can click on my network option, and here you will get this groups option. And again, if you click on this, you will land on the same page. Right now here you will be able to see this big fat button that says create group, and once you click on this, you will be able to see this kind of window in front of you where you need to add all the details about your group. Right now, first let's add a logo, upload a logo. So let me check whether I have any logo or not. So if I search here logo, let me check out. I don't think, yeah, I do have one logo. So this one is the logo. I'm just opening it, and once I open it, the editor will open where I can edit the image. Basically, this is the logo. Let me just take this part, and again I want to zoom in a little bit, and let's take this part only. This is for demo purposes, so I'm not doing everything perfectly. So as you can see, the logo has been added, and same goes with this banner as well. You just need to click on this pencil icon, and you need to create a cover image which has 1774 pixels by 444 pixels. Right, this is the recommended one, but for now I can take one of the video thumbnail which we have in my PC right now. So just for the demo purposes, right, let's take like this. Now hit the apply button, and this will be added as your banner. Right now here you need to add the group name. So let me write MF Global Demo Group. Right, this is the name I have given, and here you can add the description as well. So whatever the description, basically you need to add about your group, that whatever the niche or the topic you are going to talk about in this group, right? So you can describe that thing here in 2000 words. You have the word limit of 2000 words, and once you are done with your description, you need to add the industry. You can go up to 3 industry. Basically you can add up to 3 industries. So let me see what are the industries are available. Almost every industry should be available here, like business consulting and services, technology, food, beverage, oil, gas, accounting, advertising. So I'm going to select advertising service. If you want, you can select more, like we provide consulting as well. So let me click on this, and let me select this one, business consulting and service. Right, so I have selected 2 industries. If you want, you can go up to 3. Then the location will be New Delhi, India. Right, New Delhi, India. And then here you need to add some rules. Basically you can define the rules of your group as well, and here we do have 4000 word limit. Right, here you can see the example as well. Set the tone and expectation of your group. So whatever the expectation and the tone you want to maintain in your group, you can add it over here. Again, I'm adding here demo, but you can create your own rules for your own group. Right now, once you're done with your rules, we have this group type option. So you do have 2 options. The first one is public and the second one is private. So it is totally on your preference that you want to keep your group public or private. So generally we keep our group public, because if the group is public, people can find your group through search, LinkedIn search, and people can join from there as well, right? Once you are done with your group type, we do have one more option, and that is permissions. So in permissions, you do have two options. The first one is allow members to invite their connections. If you want to allow your members, group members, to invite their connections, so you can check this box. And if you have any specific reason that you don't want your members to invite your connections, you can turn this option off. Simple. Also, again, this is on your preference, but I do prefer to turn this option on. And the second one is require new post to be reviewed by admins, and there is a 14 days of time. Under 14 days you need to review the post, otherwise the post will be deleted if you are not reviewing it, right? And if you review and approve it, the post will be published in the group, right? So it is for the admins. If you want your group's new post to be reviewed by admins, so you can turn this option on, you can tick this box. Now once you are done with your all the options, all the settings, just hit the create button and your group will be created. It takes a few seconds and you'll see that the group has been created. As you can see, there are many other settings as well that we are going to talk about in the upcoming video. This video only for the creation process, which I have already shown you. So I hope you love the process, and if you do so, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. Also, you can share this playlist with your needy friends who want to learn LinkedIn marketing and create their online presence on the LinkedIn platform. With that said, let's wrap up this video here. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.